Welcome back everyone, I hope you're having a great day. It's about time for an update on the GTO. As you all know, it got rear-ended a while back, and the repairing process is taking longer than expected. But we just passed a big milestone of the project in that we got all the body work done. The reason it took so long is that the first shop we took it to put all the body panels on, but they really didn't do the best job. That's putting it lightly. The main thing they did that really caused the delay was they hit this panel with a hammer to try to get it to fit to the new taillight panel, and kind of destroyed it. The damage there was kind of beyond me to fix myself. The reason it looks so good now is I took it to a different body shop and he managed to get it all straightened out. When it wasn't at a body shop, I was busy doing body work around all the new panel seams, and there was also some rust issues around the back glass. What else happened? Oh, I got my transmission remanufactured. It works a lot better now, and it's got a shift kit in it, which is fun.
So that should catch you up on the last 9 months. In this video, we're going to be getting it ready for paint and spraying some primer on it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like the video so far, be sure to press that like button. And if you're new here, maybe consider subscribing. We'd love to have you a part of the channel. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Next time you see the GTO, we're probably going to be painting it, so stay tuned for that video. Really appreciate y'all. See you next time.